Want to move money from your Alipay to a bank account, but feeling lost? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, open your Alipay app and tap on Me tab, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your account profile. On your profile page, look for balance and tap on it. This is where your money is stored within Alipay. Now, you should see your available balance. Tap the Withdraw button, which will initiate the transfer process. Next, you'll need to select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your bank account. First, tap Add Bank Account and follow the on-screen instructions, which will likely involve entering your bank details and verifying your identity. Once your bank account is linked or selected, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Alipay account to your bank. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. Double-check the bank account number and the amount to avoid any errors. Pay attention to any potential transaction fees that might be displayed. Finally, confirm the transfer by entering your Alipay password or using your fingerprint authentication, depending on your security settings. You'll receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. This screen will also show the estimated arrival time of the funds in your bank account, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Alipay to your bank account.